Your website might be online. But is it actually secure? Most cPanel users don't realize they already have powerful security tools built in. Today, I'll show you 5 hidden cPanel security features you need to know. Feature number 1, IP blocker. Want to stop attacks before they start? The IP blocker lets you instantly block suspicious IPs or entire ranges. Perfect for stopping brute force login attempts. One click equals one less threat. Feature number 2, hot link protection. Is someone stealing your images and bandwidth? Hot link protection stops other websites from embedding your images, keeping your server fast and your content protected. Hidden, simple, and incredibly effective. Feature number 3, two-factor authentication, 2FA. Passwords alone aren't enough anymore. With cPanel 2FA, even if someone gets your password, they still can't log in without your second verification. This is a must-enable feature. Feature number 4, directory privacy. Not every folder should be public. Directory privacy lets you password protect specific directories. Perfect for admin panels, staging sites, or private files. Security without complexity. Feature number 5, leech protection. Sharing login details? That's a big risk. Leech protection detects and blocks accounts being accessed from multiple locations, stopping abuse before it crashes your hosting account. These features are already inside cPanel. Most users just never turn them on. If you want a secure, fast, and reliable website, start using cPanel the smart way. Like, subscribe, and comment secure if you want a full cPanel security checklist.